Length review. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to dive into one of the most epic mini PCs I've ever laid eyes on, the GMKtec K12 Gaming Mini. Now, let's talk about what makes this little guy tick. Under the hood, it's powered by a beast of a CPU, the Ryzen 7 H255. That's a chip from the Hawk-Point family, which means it's got some serious upgrades over its older siblings. We're talking up to 4.9 GHz and 16 threads thanks to Summit support. What does that mean for you? It means this mini PC can handle games, video editing, and multitasking like a pro. But wait, there's more. The Radeon 780M iGPU is on board, 12 CUs and 768 shaders at your disposal. This baby can drive multiple displays simultaneously with a resolution of up to 8K. No problem. And if you're into playing the latest games, the hardware encoding and decoding for common video codecs like AV1, AVC, and HEVC is a breeze. Smooth, fast performance, that's what we're talking about here. Now, let's talk RAM and storage. This mini PC comes with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 512 GB SSD drive. That's right, folks, up to 8 TB of total storage capacity, thanks to the 3M.2 expansion slots. You can store all your files, programs, and games in one place, without having to worry about running out of space. But what really sets this mini PC apart is its display capabilities. With support for 4 screens at 4K or 8K resolution, you can create an immersive gaming experience like no other. And with HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 1.4, and USB Type-C transfer speed, you'll be able to enjoy crisp, high-quality visuals on every screen. It's perfect for gamers, video editors, and anyone who wants a multi-monitor setup. Now, let's not forget about the cooling system. This mini PC has dual fans with advanced heat pipes and 360 degrees airflow. It keeps your CPU frosty under heavy loads. And with 13 dazzling RGB lighting modes, you can personalize your rig to match your unique style. But what really gets me excited is the Oculink port on the rear interface. What does this do? Well, my friends, it enables higher bandwidth capabilities, better frame rates, and lower lag, perfect for eGPU setups. Gamers and content creators will love the boost in performance and reduced lag. We also have dual Ethernet 2.5 GBE LAN ports, built-in Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth 5.2, all designed to keep your connection stable and efficient. And with a 1-year limited warranty from GMKtec, you can trust that your mini PC is protected. But don't just take my word for it. The K12 Gaming Mini has an impressive rating of 4.5 out of 981, based on user reviews. So what are you waiting for? Check the link below to get your hands on this incredible mini PC. Thanks for tuning in to our review of the GMKtec K12 Gaming Mini. I'm hyped to see how it performs in real-world use.